Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back to filming YouTube videos after a really long time. I have been on a break because I wasn't really inspired to film any kind of beauty content, or especially like on YouTube. I just felt like everything was so overdone. But I'm back to filming my usual beauty videos, and in today's video I will be sharing some of my most favorite luxe and high-end makeup products that I feel are so worth the money. Most of these are new launches and I have been using them non-stop ever since I received these. This is a non-sponsored video, so without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Starting off with the most viral foundation of 2024, which is the Tilted Mask Fit Red Cushion Foundation. Tilted is finally in India. I think it has been just a few months since they launched in India. It's available on Nykaa and on Macaron and also on Tira if I'm not wrong. And this was my first cushion foundation. I've only used it 2 to 3 times and I guess that's enough to give a proper review for this foundation. It is such a good foundation. I don't have anything bad to say about the formula. It is the most full coverage foundation that you will try. It can cover all sorts of hyperpigmentation, scars on your face, and it also looks very natural and skin-like at the same time. Doesn't look cakey at all. It's so high coverage that I don't even need a concealer with this foundation. The only downside of this foundation is, by the way, it has a huge shade range, but the only downside is that my shade is 33W Ginger, and W means warm, and I generally wear warm foundations. Like, I generally wear warm undertones in foundations, but the warm shades in this particular foundations are so orange. They look very orange on your skin. I don't know if you guys can see it in this lighting, but my face looks very orange compared to my neck, and this was an expensive foundation, so I was hoping that to not happen. So even if you are a warm undertone, make sure that you don't get a warm shade in this particular product. Just get a neutral one and I think it will be warm enough for you. I will somehow make it work with a lighter shade of concealer, but overall the product is so worth the money, especially if you're getting married and if you're looking for that one foundation for your wedding functions. Go ahead and buy this one. You will have to eyeball the shade, but watch tons of videos online and I'm sure you will find your perfect shade. I am, by the way, NC42 in the MAC Studio Fix foundation, just for a reference. Talking about the packaging, it is very luxe. You also get a mini in this foundation, by the way, which is for 1200 rupees, and I think it's very decently priced if you don't want to take a risk of getting a wrong shade. And even though the foundation is very high coverage, it does not look cakey on your face. It gives you a very nice soft matte finish, and I have extremely dry skin, and right now I cannot even feel the product on my face. It just melts into your skin and just looks so beautiful and airbrushed. Then I have the Huda Beauty loose baking and setting powder. I guess this is their easy bake powder, which has a lot of other shades. This is their Ube birthday cake collection. So this is a collection. This is, by the way, a very new launch. I attended their launch and that's why I have all the 3 products from this particular range. So it's the Ube birthday cake collection, and I have the loose powder, the lip gloss, the 4 filler lip gloss, and I have the Huda Beauty blush filter. So this is like the lavender collection, which I think is so cute. Today we're going to talk about these 2 products because I feel like these 2 formulas are just worth all your money, especially the loose powder, not particularly the lavender shade. I'm not sure about the lavender shade for my under eyes because I think it makes my under eyes look slightly grey, but I'm waiting to try this in my own shade. They have a lot more other shades. And I just love the formula. I've never used a loose powder that does not creases under my eyes. Before this, I was very hooked on to my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, which I loved because of the shade. But I feel like this product I love because it just never creases under my eyes. And I've used this product in like wedding functions and it has never failed me. I don't know why I waited so long to try this particular formula, but it is so worth your money, especially if you have a lot of under eye creases. From the same collection, I have the blush filter. Again, I tried this formula for the first time, and it is such an effortless product. It is so easy to use, and when it comes to liquid and cream blushes, I feel they should just be very easy to use and you should have control over the pigmentation, and that is exactly how I feel about this product. I'm again waiting to try more shades from this collection. They have a few other shades which might suit my skin. This particular shade looks a little washed out on my face. lilac is just not my color. Other than the shade, I think everything else is just so good about the product. The packaging, the formula, it is just a very effortless liquid blush, and if you're looking for that one liquid blush from the luxe category, you should definitely try this collection. Now, Simply Nam is not a product from the luxe category, but I think it is a high-end product because this particular blush retails for 1400 rupees, and 1400 is definitely not very affordable. So I think this is more like a high-end product. So this Simply Nam Velvet Cream Magic Blush has been my favorite since a couple of years now. It is such a good and such an underrated product. This formula deserves all the attention. I have the shade Soul Sister. Before this, I was using the shade Sister from another mister, which was such a beautiful pink for my skin, but that one got expired, and this is like a fresh new shade that I've opened. And I've just tried it today only. I love the shade. I already know that I love the formula. It is again a very effortless cream blush. If you're someone who is very new to cream and liquid blushes and it's your first time trying it out, then you should definitely try this formula. It is very easy to blend. It lasts really long. If you layer it with a powder blush, I think your blush is not going anywhere. Again, really good for wedding functions, I guess. And it also looks very glowy on your skin. Like, you can see the shine and glow on my skin. You can completely skip a highlighter. I've spoken about the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil so many times in the past, but again, it deserves another shout out. I am obsessed with this product. I don't think I can ever go back to using any other eyebrow product. I just love the micro tip that it has. It has a retractable tip, and I love this shade. I love how easy to use this product is. It is in the shade 5, and I think it looks very natural. I don't like to overdo my eyebrows. I just like to enhance the arch a little bit, and I think this does it so well. Even though it's expensive, I think it's worth all the money because you have so much control over the pigment. When it comes to eyebrow pencils, I think some are like overly pigmented and creamy, so you might look like a ghost, but this one gives like the right amount of pigment and it will never look like you've overdone your eyebrows with this product. Another product from Benefit is their roller liner. Now, I've used the Better Than Sex eyeliner and I've really loved it, but this is like my current favorite. I have the mini one, and I think minis are just so cute and just so practical. It's so easy to travel with, and also when it comes to makeup products, it is just very hard to complete the entire product before it getting expired. So I just always prefer buying minis, and this one is my favorite. It has the most precise tip to get the perfect winged eyeliner, and winged eyeliner has never been so easy. It does not bleed. I have been using it since a couple of months and it has not even dried up completely, so I think this is definitely worth giving a try. I tried Clinique makeup for the first time few months ago, and I have been obsessed with both the products that I've tried. The first one is the Clinique High Impact Full Volume Mascara, and this is how it looks like. It is such a gorgeous packaging and also a very beautiful product. I have been alternating between my Clinique mascara and my Benefit mascaras, and I think they both are like very worth the money. Especially this one because I guess this is waterproof. I haven't seen this mascara bleeding on my eyes ever. I cannot read it anywhere on the packaging, but I guess this is waterproof. It gives so much volume and so much length to my eyelashes. I've literally stopped using an eyelash curler ever since I started using this product. So if you're looking for a good high-end mascara, then you should definitely try this one. Another Clinique product that I have been loving is their Black Honey Lip Gloss. I haven't tried the Black Honey lipstick, which is like very viral and famous, but you can already see how much I've loved using this lip gloss. It is completely over. I've like used it for the last time today just to show it to you guys. But I have been using this like literally as a lip balm every single day. On bare skin, it just looks so good. More than a lip gloss, I guess I've only been using this as a tinted lip balm, and it looks beautiful on bare skin. Again, the point of Black Honey collection is that it looks good on every single skin tone, and I completely agree with it. If it looks good on me, I guess it will look good on lighter skin tones as well as darker skin tones, because this shade is just so perfect for everyone. Lastly, from the high-end category, I have these Love Child lipsticks. This is their brown nude collection, and I received all 6 shades from this collection, but my 2 favorites are these. This is Sepia Spice and Brown Mama. I'm wearing the shade Brown Mama and I love the formula. Again, these are not very affordable, so they do come in high-end category. These lipsticks retail for 1200 rupees each, and this is how the lipstick looks like. I love the shade range. I think there's something for every single skin tone. They have 6 beautiful brown shades. No matter what skin tone you are definitely going to find your perfect brown nude lipstick in this collection. The formula is rich, creamy, and it's also long lasting. Obviously, it's not as long lasting as a bullet lipstick, but compared to any other bullet lipstick, it is very long lasting and feels so comfortable on the lips. Since I've shown you guys how these two products from the Ube collection looks like, I think I should show you guys how this lip gloss also looks like. I don't think this lip gloss is like worth all the money, but it is a good it is a good lip gloss. It's not a bad formula, but I just feel like you can get similar formulas in the drugstore range also. On bare skin it does wash out on me, but I think paired with a lipstick it is going to look very beautiful. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching the video. All the products will be linked in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!